This beans is not looking white. It's because I blended with purple onions. That is why it's not looking like pure white. It's like, you guys, I've always wanted to make akara, but you see, to wash the beans is my problem. Baby, reduce it. It's my problem, but I just found this new trick to wash beans and it's been so helpful. Rosemary and Unique Grace TV, you guys are the one that pushed me to make this akara, because you've been doing akara back to back on your channel. I've just been watching vlog make akara. I think it's Rosemary that is always saying I want to do akara, and this week I've been seeing akara everywhere on my timeline. So I'm like, okay, let me do my own, because I've been craving it, but to wash the beans is my problem. So I finally washed my beans and see. You guys, my akara is ready. The shape is not shaping, but I bet you it tastes really, really nice, and it's so fluffy. See, this thing is too bright. Can you guys see it? It tastes really, really nice, and I'm going to just pair it with my custard. Anytime you hear akara, the next thing will be pap or custard, so I'm using custard for this particular one. So the YouTubers that inspired this, thank you. I can't remember the last time I had akara and anything that has to do with mama. I think 2 years ago, because of the stress of washing beans. I really enjoy this. It's so tasty, like very, very tasty. The shape is very bad, but what matters is the content of this. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Diana's heart control, and today she's 5 months old, so she needs to run heart control, and coincidentally fell today. So I'm already dressed. Jasmine is not going to school, so I'm taking Jasmine along. This summer and the weather is very hot, so I'm going to use this hat, no wig whatsoever, because this kind of hot weather, who needs wig? Thank God I even cut my hair. So I'm about to leave the house. I don't even know if they'll let me in, or I don't know. Let's see. I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Welcome back. It's the next day, you guys. Yeah, it's the next day. Yesterday I was so tired, like really too tired to talk to you guys. I finished from this kitchen yesterday around, I think, 11. I was busy. When I came back from the appointment, I came later. I had to cook, and I had to also make some prep for today's meal. So yesterday when we did a heart control, it's just like a scan, and they also did some things. They put this, I don't know what they call it in English anymore, I've forgotten. They translated it for me, I've forgotten. So they did that one, and also the heart scan. So everything is fine. I don't want to really talk about the control yet until I'm done with it, because they asked we come back for another control again in 6 months time. So immediately I finished from there, I just went to book it. That 6 months time is supposed to be like next year, January or February, I can't remember, but they did not see it, so they gave me April. next year. So they were like, I can always come to check if there are more better space available. So I just took that one. Sha. Well done. She was sleeping. No, she and her sister, they were sleeping inside though, but she just woke up. Immediately her father left, she just woke up and I put her on this chair. The weather is very hot. Then I want to say hi. I want to say hi. Hi guys. So she's running temperature and I just gave her medicine. I gave her some drops of her medicine. Medicine was there. I don't even know where I kept it again. Just gave her sha and she's okay. So she took 2 injections, 2 vaccine. So another appointment is for next month. So right now what I'm doing is I'm trying to cook yesterday so that things will be easy for me today. I just prepped the meat. I was tired to stupor, but I decided to manage. I was almost falling. I decided to manage to prep meat that I'm going to use to cook today. So I want to prepare groundnut soup. These groundnuts, yeah. I was talking to you guys and my microphone just fell. You guys, I need a better microphone. I don't like the way I'm vlogging now. I want to be able to talk to you guys even from a distance because I have two good tripod that is very tall and solid. But my problem is microphone. I'll have to always sit close to my camera to talk because all the microphone I've bought so far is not what I want. I'm looking for a very good microphone that I can be using to talk to you guys even if I'm in the other room. So yeah, I was trying to show you guys the groundnut is always pre-blend or rough blend. So I want to reblend it again. I bought it for €3. Can you guys see it? So now I'm boiling. I said I'm boiling. I'm trying to warm up the meat. Let me show you guys. So this is the meat I prepared yesterday. So I just want to warm it up. You guys, I always fry my groundnut this way. If I don't fry it like this, it will purge the living daylight out of us. Anyways, you can do what rocks your boat too, but I'm just showing you my own process that I fry it like this. After blending, I will fry it till it become dry, and when I'm frying it, I always need to be around it. If not, it gets burnt easily. It will not be looking black. Bless you. Diana is here with me in the kitchen. Oh, this is goat meat, cow beef, pomo, and abodi. My groundnut soup is ready, guys. Jasmine, what happened? What happened to your hand? Sorry. My consistency is like this. I don't like it thick. If it's thick, I cannot eat it. I like it light. Some people like it thick, but this consistency is what I always go for. Just imagine this soup with correct starch. Go and wash it. With correct starch. I don't know how to make starch, but I love to eat it. The aroma in my kitchen, oh my goodness. I have to do the clean up off camera because this soup was just splashing everywhere. I reduced the gas so that it will be cooking small. Hey guys, good afternoon. You guys, I'm in haste. We are going to Jasmine's school. It's after 2 or thereabout. I don't know what time it is now. They said parents should come with their kids around 2:45 because the event is going to start by 3 p.m. Today is their graduation, but I don't think they are going to end school this week. I think next week. So they asked the kids to come with their uniform. Jasmine, come and show them your uniform. Stand there. Come on, stand there. Let me show you guys. I might show you guys later. My kitchen is a mess. I was outside this morning. We went for Diana's appointment. So I came back around after 12, prepare meals because I met my husband preparing the meal. So I had to just finish up because he would go to work. So now he's already going to work. And now we are going to Jasmine's school. I will see you guys maybe when we get there. I don't know how the event is going to be, but I will see you guys later.
Line in. Fatto di colori, sapori e tanta fantasia. Sul nostro palcoscenico prenderà vita una storia un po' buffa, un po' golosa, ma soprattutto equilibrata.
We are finally here to get our air conditioner. It's been so hot this summer. No, we cannot continue like that. Everywhere is too hot. Diana, Jasmine, don't sleep at night. Move. Jasmine does not sleep at night. Diana, the same thing. So it's just too much. Our windows, we don't really open it that much. Although we have nets, but I don't know how mosquito will see small go in. So we don't really open it that much at night. So the kids don't end up with mosquito bites everywhere. So we just decided to just get an air conditioner. So that's what we are here for. Finally, this summer will keep us. It's too hot. Jasmine, let me see inside.
Take a look.
Go for outside now.